What would actually be left if all the water was removed from the human body? And is it really true that most of our body is made entirely of water? An average human body contains so much water that it could fill a small bathtub. The human body may look simple from the outside, but inside it's unbelievably fascinating. Every day we drink water, sweat, and breathe, yet most people don't realize that our body is basically a walking water machine. Around 60% of an adult human body is made of water. That means if a person weighs 70 kilograms, their body contains nearly 42 liters of water. It's such a huge amount that it almost sounds impossible. But this raises an interesting question. If our body contains so much water, then why don't we feel like we're sloshing around from the inside? That's because the water isn't stored in just one place. It's spread throughout the entire body. It exists in our blood, brain, muscles, and even inside our bones. Yes, even bones, which feel extremely hard to us, contain nearly 31% water. And if we talk about the brain, the human brain is made up of nearly 73% water. That means every thought you have, every memory you keep, and every emotion you feel depends heavily on water. That's exactly why when a person doesn't drink enough water, they don't just feel thirsty. Their brain also starts slowing down. They become irritated more quickly, feel tired, and lose focus easily. Now, just think about this. If your body loses only 2% of its water, your physical and mental performance already starts getting affected. And if the body loses around 10% water, it can even become life-threatening. But the strange thing is, we lose water from our body every single day without even realizing. When you breathe, your body releases water. When you sweat, water leaves your body. Even while talking, your body continues losing tiny amounts of water. That's why humans constantly need water to survive. Now, here's another interesting question. Does every human body contain the same amount of water? The answer is no. Children usually have a higher percentage of water in their bodies. A newborn baby's body can contain up to 75% water, but as humans grow older, the amount of water in the body slowly decreases. Similarly, men generally have more water in their bodies because they tend to have more muscle mass, and muscles contain more water than fat. Now, think about blood for a moment. Most people think of blood as just a thick red liquid, but the truth is that human blood is made up of nearly 90% water. This water allows blood to flow smoothly throughout the body, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every single part. If the body becomes dehydrated, blood starts getting thicker, the heart has to work harder, and the body begins to feel weak. But perhaps the strangest thing is that water doesn't just keep us alive, it also controls body temperature. When the weather gets hot, the body produces sweat, and when that sweat evaporates, the body starts cooling down. In other words, the human body is a machine that can cool itself automatically. Now imagine this for a second. What would happen if all the water suddenly disappeared from the human body? According to scientists, the body would instantly begin to shrink, the skin would dry out, blood flow would stop, the brain would shut down, and within moments, life would come to an end. Because the truth is, a human is not just flesh and bones. We are actually a complex system of water, salts, and chemicals working together in perfect balance. And maybe that's why water is considered one of the most valuable things in the world. But the story doesn't end here. An average person drinks more than 75,000 liters of water during their lifetime. That amount is enough to fill a large swimming pool. And here's the most mind-blowing part. The water you're drinking today may contain molecules that once existed inside the body of a dinosaur thousands of years ago. Because Earth's water is constantly moving in a cycle. It becomes rain, turns into rivers, enters living bodies, and eventually returns back into the atmosphere, which means there's a chance that the water you're drinking right now was once consumed centuries ago by a king, a soldier, or an ancient human being. Just thinking about it is enough to blow your mind. So the next time you take a sip of water, remember this. It's not just an ordinary drink. It's the very thing that every organ, every thought, and every breath in your body depends on. If you enjoyed these amazing facts, then make sure to like the video, subscribe Top Facts English channel, and press the bell icon because many more mind-blowing videos are coming your way.